another day for Tom exclusive ride. I hope say this time I go meet better customer. Omo they call me this morning. Omo if na money they want beg me, I no get to. Me I just hope say na booking. Omo, like say na booking o. Sharp. This morning I don't quickly get work. Make I quickly go meet this customer. You know say when they come for money matter, Mr. Tom no dey play. Well God, make this passenger be better passenger for me. At least make he fit find me something at the end of the trip. Be like say I don't nearly reach the area. Make I quickly call the customer. Make I dey sure say he dey the address.
Hello, who be this?
Good morning, madam. This is Tom exclusive ride. You go book me this morning. I don't nearly reach your area, so I won't confirm the address. Say you still dey number 45 Odogu Street.
Yes, so now I beg hurry up. I don't want to miss my appointment.
No problem, madam. I don't nearly reach your side. You go see me in the next few minutes.
Think say they wise. You are a mumu man.
I don't reach the place. Blessing I here be number 45 Odogu Street. Make I quickly call the madam, make she dey come outside. Hello ma. Now Tom exclusive ride. I dey outside the address now, number 45 Odogu Street.
70 years old man.
Very good. I beg, make you wait for me. I dey waka come now. You go see me very soon.
Okay ma, no problem ma. I beg hurry up ma. My car still dey on and you know say fuel don't cost.
No wahala, Mr. Man. You go see me now.
I'm on the part of this work when I hate with this. When I go reach the address where they give me, I'll come sit down, they wait again, make the passenger ready before we can start to go. Which kind of wahala be all these ones?
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Which kind of problem be all this one now? You don't pass 10 minutes now. This madam never still show. How long did it take person to prepare? If I no see this woman in the next 5 minutes, I go dey look for another passenger.
Are you playing?
Okay, I beg no vex. Sorry, Jay. You know, say me I be old woman. To dey move around these days, they hard for me.
Madam, no problem. But you tell me where you want make I carry you go.
Think say they wise.
I dey go General Hospital. I get doctor's appointment today.
No problem, ma. Make we dey leave now. Hey, which one be this one when my car dey drag like this? Madam, be like say your weight too much for my motor.
I beg my friend move this your car, Jerry. I think say this your car na new motor. I been na
They
Tokumbo.
have left you behind.
I beg, madam, I don't like this kind of thing. This one will won't spoil my car because of how much.
I beg my friend, please respect yourself. No come dey insult me for here.
Think say they wise. You are a mumu man.
My friend don't low finish you. Oh, I don't know if I want to do this thing now. Cash no dey my hand. Madam, so don't they go now? My fuel really dey low. Bless I go carry one passenger for road so that I go fit make extra money to buy fuel. You know say fuel don't cost.
I beg, Oga, no carry anybody join body. I book this car for only me. I beg.
Madam, no worry. You dey safe for Mr. Tom exclusive ride. And again, I just need extra passenger so I go fit gather extra money since you no wan add anything for me.
See this man, no. You want put me for danger? I don't tell you say I book you for only myself. If I want enter public transport, I for enter bus. Why I can't order ride when I know say bus dey?
Abeg madam, for Tom exclusive ride I fit do anything when I like. If I decide to turn my car into Molue, I go turn am to Molue. Nothing dey happen.
Are you playing?
See, Oga, I don't talk my own. No carry anybody. Drop me first for the hospital. Then if you go carry as much people as you want carry, for my own safety, I beg.
Madam, I don tell you say make you no worry, but I see one passenger for front there. Make I quickly pick that guy. So the small money I go make from this drop, I go use and buy fuel. How far oga you dey go? Which side? Yeah, I dey go along the road there before you reach the hospital. Correct guy, no worry jare, enter motor make I drop you.
70 years old man.
Oga, me, I don't tell you my own. Anything will happen, you go use your head carry am.
Abeg madam, you don do. I don tell you with Mr. Tom exclusive ride, you are safe. We will carry you to your destination and we will drop you safely there.
No be juju be that.
Abeg my brother, no mind that woman jare. She no know who I be. She no know say na me be Mr. Tom, Lagos guy. The only agbero for this Lagos wey no other agbero dey mess with.
May God not allow them.
You know say for this street I don tey well. That's why I dey tell madam say make madam no worry. As I dey follow una talk like this, una safe, nothing go happen. No armed robber go ever get mind to enter this motor rob anybody.
The earlier we realize.
Omo see traffic o, and we don nearly reach the general hospital. No wahala na, make we just wait small. The traffic go move.
Hey, thief, thief. Oga, leave my bag, go.
Oto.
Come, who be that wey dey comot from car? Madam, wetin happen? You wan come down?
Our mumu no do.
See this man, I been tell you, may no carry anybody. That young man wey you just carry for back, they just use style rob me when you be dey talk story for front.
Is that you?
Madam, why you no come say anything since na? If you don tell me, make I quickly jump for back seat there, fight am. My name na Mr. Tom. That guy no suppose do that kind of thing here now.
Madam, wetin dey happen for here? Oga police, thank God say you come here. Abeg, I book this guy make he carry me go hospital. Na so along the road, he come stop, come pick extra passenger. That extra passenger now come rob me for the motor.
Mr. Tom, na true be that? So you and your friend na dey rob na passenger now abi? No wahala. When we reach station, you go explain yourself better.
Oga, I no know that guy. I no know am. I just pick am so I go make extra money for fuel. God, which kind of wahala be this one now? Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.